What's going on? How we doing? Gregory 9800. What's going on, man? Haven't seen you in a while. Pushpack, Rob, Carlo, Don, Trader NQ, Waffles, Josh. Good morning, good morning. Carlo's not lying. All right. Got about 2.5 minutes here till the open. I am feeling better. I feel better physically, but my stomach is like bleh today. I went from feeling weak to not feeling weak, but my stomach is not feeling great. I was here in the second part of this move. I decided not to trade it. No matter where you would have traded it in the bands, it would have worked. It looks like every spot got a bounce. But I didn't know what was happening, and it was pretty abrupt. It also wasn't like at 8:30, so I figured it was some kind of news or something, so I just stayed away from it. You installed flooring in half your office? How? What? Huh? How's that work? I need to install flooring in my complete office at some point. I don't know when that's going to happen, but it's going to have to be on a weekend. And who knows when. Because I would have to move my desk, my fish tank. There's a lot of moving parts to redo the floor in my office. But I really, really, really want to redo it because I'm really tired of the carpet. It is what it is, to be honest, but it would be nice to get it refinished. There's a big ass heavy bed in here. Yeah. I was trading from like midnight to 1:30 and thought of you while watching the bands. It would have been a terrible time for you. You're gonna make me go look real quick. 20 seconds. You're talking about right here? It looks like it eventually would have worked if you waited for the actual bands to get touched. Down here, it worked. I guess you'd have to give me a specific example. All right, here we go. 5 seconds. See what happens. Probably should draw a line here. Yesterday's close all the way down here at 321.50, so we're technically green on the day as of right now. High of current day is 508. 100 points away from it. 100 points in both directions, actually. Where's the low? Yeah, the low's not too much lower. Big shove down through 400, like into like 370 or so. I might take a stab at this, but I'll be scared every bit of the way. Need to see like 370. Yeah, it's bouncing right off of that low from earlier. All right. So far, bouncing off of that low from earlier. Pretty good range so far. Coming back down, retesting. I don't remember seeing an email from Traders Launch. Oh, they have the minimum days, don't they? All right, bounced off of it yet again almost perfectly. It says 3 days. It's in 3 days because of the consistency. And 3 trading days. Sure feels like it wants to try lower. Keeps getting rejected. Look at these top wicks. But obviously need to see a pretty big move now down towards 350. And at that point, I'd want to see a move through 350. And then at that point, I'd be pretty comfortable. If we get a big move down through 350 into yesterday's close, I'd feel confident taking that trade. Or just a fake out. All right, there we go.
Order filled.
Could be a little dangerous.
Order filled.
Take the 150. Could have got more, but was really just looking for that 50 retest. See if we can't get another push down here. Not quite.
That don't make no sense.
It's a great day in the neighborhood, Donald. What's going on? I would really like this to continue down. Give us another chance at some more trades. All right, testing yesterday's close. Through. Looking for down through 300 here. Pretty good range here now too. Damn, quite the bounce off of yesterday's close as of, well, for right now. All right, back down, see if we can't get the push. Down through 300 into the bands here. Gotta be careful with current low a day as well. All right, through 300, bounce right back up. Obviously looking for a lot more than that. I am feeling better overall, but my stomach is like in shambles at the moment. This feels like it's gonna get back up or try to get back up above yesterday's close. Hopefully it does not. Hopefully it rejects right off of it and gives us a nice push down. Let's go. The last thing we want right now is a move back towards the middle, because then we're just gonna be there forever. We want to see a nice continuation down here. Where are we at on the daily? Is there any other news today? Is Wednesday. Crude oil at 10:30. Come on, shove it. There we go. Go. Straight to the lows. Let's go. Back under 300. Well, it did, I guess. A lot of people could be trapped in here. I mean, that's a pretty good move so far. 100 points. Nothing to shake at. But if they're averaging in, probably puts them somewhere around 350, maybe like 340 as they accumulate size here. So we don't want to see it get back up to 340. We want to see it reject. Because if we get back up to 340, then all the people who are long that can create the bigger selling pressure down by getting stopped out are gone. And there it goes to 340. All right, so now you got probably a lot of people selling. The people who are averaging in are now selling. So this is expected, but the problem is we now ran out of a bunch of longs that are going to stop out. Which means you get more of this crap. Instead of people stopping out, you just get these little fake wicks because we're losing a bunch of the longs when we get those pops like that. Hopefully I'm wrong and we shoot straight down to the lows. Let's go.
Order working. Order filled.
I was about to cancel it.
Order working.
Not a fan of how this is reacting, and I got in early. Should have waited for the push down.
Order filled.
Got out, thankfully. Not really the trade I was hoping for there. I thought I got a better fill. I thought I was down near 40. Would have just been looking for the 50 retest. I actually got filled at 53. It's okay. Take it. Well, I was kind of hoping we'd reject back down here. There we go. Come on. Give us a nice big push down through 250. Nope. If we can not retest 300, that would be beautiful. Come give us another shove down to 200. Be careful, these are big candles. 60 point candle. This one right here. Looking at the hourly. Oh, we're coming down to that gap fill on the hourly. We're in the gap fill, sort of. The gap is all the way down to 200. So not that far. Lay another 50 points off the low. Dang it. There's the full retest. Ah. Ugh. Not what we wanted to see. Nah. Damn, that candle was even bigger. It's about the same. Oh, yeah. 65. Two big candles there. I like to see it. Now we just need them to work in our favor. Project X down again? Yeesh. What's up, mama? So 2 quick trades up 370 here this morning. Not going to be upset about 370 bucks in less than 20 minutes. Obviously would have liked a little bit better of a move there. Probably could be up like 500-600 bucks, but not gonna complain. I actually don't even have my Tradeify account open. I've been more focused on the Take Profit Trader account because I'm trading bigger size on this account, which doesn't really make any sense because I actually have a bigger buffer on the Tradeify account. But the Tradeify account is a live account, and I really like the idea of that. So trying to necessarily just, or I'm trying to just stay afloat per se on Tradeify account, take payouts when they present themselves. But I'm more so looking to get the Take Profit Trader Pro account to the Pro Plus account, because if I can do that, then my split goes from 80-20 to 90-10. And on Tradeify, I'm stuck at 80-20 on this live account, no matter what I do. Which isn't necessarily like a bad thing, but Marcus, good morning. Jason, good morning. Just pet sitting again this morning. Lost the other account, broke my trading rule, but green on the daily payout account. Okay, Z. I mean, it sucks that you broke one of your rules, but it would be nice if Project X goes down when I have a red day, so it resets it. Yeah, I saw that yesterday they were having the issue where you could see the price action before your orders went through. So people were really taking advantage of that yesterday. So that's why everywhere reset, I think, completely. It wasn't only if you were red. All right, I do have my Tradeify account open. Not looking to trade that unless the only time I would really trade the Tradeify account, I think, is like if we get a move and it continues and I get a second entry on the Take Profit Trader account, because then that would mean it's a really good first entry on that account. See what I'm saying? All right, we are bouncing off the yesterday's close, moving back down towards the lows here. Gives us an opportunity for another trade. We'll see what happens. That's weird. How does that work? Are they normally delaying the data feed? I have no idea. But their data feed was delayed to the point where you could see what already happened, but the orders were going through from what you could see on the chart. So if you had two charts open, basically if you could see the data from another feed, the data was delayed on Project X, and it was also filling you on that delayed data. Does that make that's what was going on. Lucid only wiped red days. They're really the goat on days like that. Ugh, jeez, that's crazy. Does that mean that the market is already planned for the day, like the Matrix? No. It just means that Project X's data is that like gets delayed, and other people like say Tradeivate, their data is not delayed. So they have a Tradeivate chart up and they have Project X up, and they can clearly see that Project X is behind, but it's not supposed to fill the orders off the delayed data, but it was. Yes, Jason, exactly. You'd be pretty stupid not to take advantage. Like, why would you not? Especially if you're on like funded accounts. You imagine that with a Lucid funded account, apparently. I don't know if they have uncapped payouts and stuff, but the bells start ringing. I was really hoping we were going to shove the lows there, but nope. Wish all brokers did that. Yeah. Ever since I saw it happen the one time, I've been trying to wait for it to happen again, but I've never seen it. Never seen it a second time. Exclamation point, marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. While we watch the chart do exactly what we don't want it to do. Morning, Donovan. Karen's got a new boyfriend now. Wait, what? I thought you were just being funny. You know how like some people say I gotta. Oh no, I'm sorry, man. All right, back down below. Donovan, you can come move in with me. Bring all your dirt bikes. We'll turn my backyard. You can jump over the penis pool. We'll make ramps. I do not have an account with Lucid. I am affiliated with them, but I do not have an account with them at the moment. Can't mess up the grass like that. Yeah, might have a bone to pick with mom if we were to do that. You should ban her from the stream. I mean, come on now. I mean, you guys are still married and she has a boyfriend. I don't agree with that. If this is true. I'm not saying it's not true. I'm just saying it is definitely not something I agree with. I was joking about banning her, but yeah, we are separated now, and it sucks right now because it's right before the holidays. Yeah, that definitely doesn't help. A big win today on Marvels would make me a big happy guy. Well, unfortunately, I can't promise you that. Oh, this chart. Ugh. Are we really just gonna ride the EMA sideways or whatever the rest of the day? I mean, that would suck, but I mean, at least we made some money. Not gonna complain. About 370. How much time we got left for marbles? Oh, 40 seconds. I almost make a year as a member here. 2 more months. Let's go. You'll get the new badge. The badge of honor, baby. If we start getting up there with years, I'll eventually have to figure out some cool ass badges. I like the ones we have for now, though. All right, let me get marbles loaded up here. We never did fill that gap down to 200 on the hourly, just saying. All right, continue. Add names, clear. Code VOLA. Front and center. We need to do a members meetup one day. Rob, I'm going to Mad Max options trading. I don't know what the hell he actually calls himself. I just call him Max. I'm going to his get together that they're having down in Hollywood, Florida, otherwise known as Fort Lauderdale. If any of you want to come down, even to not go to that, but just to come hang out for the weekend, I'll be there. I can use his meetup to create my own meetup. But in the future, I do plan on doing my own meetup at some point. So there is that. All right, closing marbles. You're in, you're in. $39. I'm wondering if they're gonna ban or change this map again. All right, the chart looks like it's gonna try to roll over here, so we'll see what happens if we get through 300. And then we'll play marbles. I have it up and ready to go. Tony, are you in there? I haven't started it yet. Let's see. Where do you go for 10 minutes at a time, Tony? Where do you go? Where do you go for 10 minutes at a time? Full Send Capital. I like that name. Let me go put Tony in real quick. Tony Gold. And the 410, baby. All right, got it ready. Either we break 283. Here, I'll draw my two lines. If we break this line, we'll keep watching. If we break back above the 321.50 line, which is yesterday's close, we will play marbles. We just got to break one of these lines. Damn, kid. I feel you there. Looking. Oh! Imagine we just go sideways inside this little, what is this, 40-point range for like the next 15 minutes. Oh, we tried to break through. So we stay for now. Let's see what happens. All right, let's just play marbles because it looks like it's going to go up. Must not drink over. Well, hello, doggies. Amanda said she's going to stop paying for them. I just want the company. Yeah. Gotta have eyes on you at all times. If I'm not under 40% consistency, can I still pass? For which account? Tradeify? I mean, if it's 40% consistency, it's 40% consistency. So if you're not under it, then no, you can't pass. Speaking of full send capital. Yo! Just running out of places to put them. All right. Oh. Ouch. Eee. Ooh. Have fun. Oh, at least we got one shot. Speaking of Donovan. Speaking of Mr. McNasty. Yeah. Up we go. Up we go. Up we go. Oh, no. No, we are still inside that range. That is crazy. We're literally just, look at this. We're just chilling inside that range. And we had like a little fake out here and there, but we're just chilling. Just chilling. All right, it's trying to move back down. Free band is all the way down at 230 though. We still got some work to do. And we're trying lower again. Let's see what happens. Nope. Right back into the range. Donovan again, but there is a barrel waiting for you. Wait, you're still you are oh no, that was that marble. Code VOLA. No shot. Yeah, I didn't think so. I didn't think so. All right, let's do one more while we're still just chilling in this range. It is starting to look like it wants to maybe push lower though. Which is probably why it won't. It'll probably go higher. You know how that works. It looks like it wants to go one way. It probably will go the other way. Nope, just back into the range. Wow, we can't even get to the second part. This is crazy. And boom. Oh, oh. All right, we got 2 chances to get to the hole. 1 chance to get to the hole. Yeah. Hey guys, guess where we're at on the chart? Still inside the range. Absolutely ridiculous. Micro Center, any or 3-in-1 combo deals are back. Let's see what they got. Good luck buying RAM right now. Holy smokes. Buy RAM on the black market. These are actually some pretty good deals. Get a Ryzen 9 9950. I mean, the motherboard is whatever. Not bad. Basically getting the motherboard for free and all these. But I don't need to build one, so we're good. Oh, we're breaking out. Told you. Looks like you want to go down. Probably going to go up. That's the key. That is the key. I guess being profitable is boring. You have no idea. Being profitable is one of the most boring things ever. But it's profitable. It's profitable. Does anybody have a ring? Like a ring camera? Did you notice that the last couple like weeks that they changed like when you get somebody on your ring, it'll tell you specifically what it is, like the color, what it is, everything. It's pretty crazy. When I was riding my scooter a couple weeks ago, it thought it was a hoverboard. It was like person riding white hoverboard passing by front door. Pretty funny. Mine must be too old, but we also got that speaker, and my wife changes that tone with the holiday. I don't know what speaker you're talking about. A ring speaker, you say? All right. Nice little rejection back down into this range, right to the bottom of this range. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. Stuff. I mean, boring in terms of keeping watching the chart, waiting for your valid entry, and not just chasing every candle, because I'm not sure if chasing every candle might make someone profitable in the long run. Well, that's exactly what I meant too. Vesh, possibly it's making a big move this week again. I don't know. We're just kind of bouncing off of the big move down that we made. I don't know. I mean, we'd need to get down towards like 24,000 for me to consider anything's a big move. It's called the chime. Is that something that goes inside the house? Because I actually might need that. Because our doorbell thing doesn't work anymore. Chime. I didn't even know this was a thing. Ring chime wireless smart doorbell. Does it basically just go inside your house and make noise based off of someone pressing the button? Because if so, I need to get one. So, yes. Oh, wow. Yeah, I didn't even know that existed. Because then I can just completely disconnect this one right here. Enhanced audio for real-time alerts you can hear from anywhere. Easy plug-in setup. Simple Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Wow. Yeah, I need this. What's the difference between the Chime and the Chime Pro? Let me just go to Ring's website and see. Ring. Already busy? On a Wednesday? Guess maybe a lot of people are off. Maybe not as old as them, but... So you want to hear something I just found out? Yeah. Ring has what is called a chime. Oh, there it was. I'm trying to figure out. Chime. So they have a regular chime and I guess a chime. I don't know what I was just looking up the difference. The deer bell. But yeah, I was like, since that one doesn't work. But I mean, a lot of other things, like the stuff all says, like if somebody rings it, like someone's it. Really?
Like, I mean, it'll say.
Right. Oh, here. Considering Chime versus Chime Pro. Chime and Chime Pro both plug into standard power outlet and provide customizable audio outlets. Okay, so what's the difference? Has additional features such as built-in nightlight, support for Wi-Fi networks, and ability to extend Wi-Fi coverage to Ring devices that can't reliably connect to your Wi-Fi router. Okay. So it's like a, yeah. Interesting. Yeah. I wonder if the new one draws too much power. The old one didn't draw as much power. Because it's drawing the power away. Tried the one. Braden. I've been struggling. One day I just slept on. That next day I felt weak, but I think clearly. And then yesterday, yeah, yesterday I ate, so I started to feel better. And when I sore, then I woke up. I was waking up every hour. Stomach felt like oh, so I cried. 3:30, our time of the night, finally released in the form. Save. I don't think we would need this pro one. Just need the regular chime one, which I think it said at home. But you could. Yeah. You just get two of them. Apparently you can customize the tone too. Because I think it was Don was telling me that he has one. And so like Christmas. Yada yada yada. So much. Yeah, I was. Stopped growing for the time being. I got 4 successful trades off the 25,300. That's right in the middle of this range. It's scary. But yeah, worked. Every time it looks like we're going to break this range, we just don't. Well, they did this before. Oh, no, I'm talking like months ago. Rest time. Yeah, these are on. Grab one. Wait, what?
FBI, open up!
Well, at this point, what does it matter? So did I, yeah, when we first saw it. Ain't nothing but a hound dog. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that looks just like him. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh yeah. Identical. All right. Good. Actually, it was much better than I was anticipating. Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah. That's what that's what he kept saying. Yeah, we'll see if he I was gonna say we'll see if he even wants to do an instrument. Yeah. Yeah, I could see that. Yes. Don't make me. Almost, Jason. Wait. And I'm hoping not, because then we'll get more. I was hoping for a bigger push there. We did fill that gap on the hourly. Just can't get that extra push. Got to be careful here because we could get a slam. We can get marbles ready again. Do it one more time. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Yeah, 10 minutes. Come on, man. Give us the shove.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll take that $100 all day, every day. Especially when it's not like a beautiful entry. Like, I will take that all day. Keep in mind, we're barely touching the 3-band here, so that's why I'm being super short with these trades. We were at the whole dollar there. That's why I didn't get in. I was looking for the push down through the whole dollar and looking for the retest. It's going to really suck when that ends up being the bottom. This is for the 150, yeah. It's a lot of red in a row. I'm digging it though. Come on. Big push through 100 here. Ah, keeps bouncing. Don't bounce, don't bounce. Go, go, go. I've been scalping on the Tradeify account as well. I'm up 213 there. No. No. Well, got some more trades. I'm not going to complain. Up almost 900 bucks for the day so far. All withdrawable tonight. And you know damn right well I'm gonna. I'll take that clap. Back down we go, question mark? Push, baby, push. Bad fill. Should have put my order out. In at 86, out at 89. That's all right. Getting a better opportunity here. Just trading 3 micros on the Tradeify account, by the way. It's kind of why I'm starting there now, because range is getting pretty big. Damn, nice fill there. I had to order out at 81. I was in at 66. We're up to 311 on that account. Super close to $1,000 day. I'm not trying to get ahead of myself here. Looking for the big shove down through 50. Man, all you had to do was hit short way up here in that range. Remember we were stuck in this range? Finally broke that range, and check us out now. Did anything happen at 10:30? Is that what started all this? Crude oil inventories, maybe? I think like your trade is closed very fast. Did that trade meet the duration of 10 seconds? It doesn't matter if it's over 5 points. I'm also on Tradeify, not Trade Day. A lot of the places, they just don't want it to be micro scalping for like a point or less than a point, like 4 ticks. I don't take trades less than 5 points, so I don't ever have to worry about the scalping issue. Because it happens in less than 10 seconds, that's not on me. And 5 points is a big enough. And usually I'm getting more than 5 points, so. Damn, I was really hoping for the bigger push down through 50 there. Real question is, do we come all the way back up here at some point for the retest? Or do we just start trending down the rest of the day? It's not getting that extra push. Start slowly getting marbles ready while we watch. What's up, Trader's Nest? All right, we'll get some marbles in while we chill here. Still not feeling great, so I am not going to complain about a day like today, especially after yesterday not getting any trades, so. All right, 63. Looks like we're going to try to bounce anyway. All right, marbles is closed. Oh, Johnny, you are killing me, man. Let me go add Johnny real quick. Oh, you're already in there. Juked me. You juked me. All right, obviously keeping an eye on the chart, but let's play some marbles.
He needs some milk.
I don't think milk's gonna help me right now. Ooh, just bounced over that. It's our first attempt today, and it's on. No! Pretty good first attempt. Attempt number 2. It's going to be super fast. Yeah. Nope. Just like the chart. Just like the chart. Yep. You know what? Maybe I'll ride to Home Depot. Oh, it's just... Oh, but there is. It says there's one in stock at Glenbury. Am I really supposed to trust that? Because I need to return this other stuff anyway. Everybody getting thrown around. Whoa, Raul, you went on top. That was pretty cool. Charts a bouncing. Charts a bouncing. Oh, Raul. Ouch. Ouch. Ouchie. Everybody getting ouchied. Ooh. Trader's Nest. Don't you get stuck. Okay. Oh, right into the barrel. All right, one more. One more. One more. Sheesh. Right move, and I'm done for the day easily. This is true. All right, last one. I am currently up 665,311. I am currently up $976.10. Ugh. I have never had a $1,000 withdrawal like on funded accounts. Not once. It would be pretty awesome to do. Granted, I'm only getting 80% of it. But to make the 1,000, it's tempting. It's tempting. I do also have to keep in mind that I am... Oh, no, it's only the 17th. Never mind. I was going to say the Tradeify is going to take out my account fees, but that's not until the 1st of the month. Oh, Liz. That soft touch, Liz, on the barrel. So you touch that barrel nice and soft. Oh, through the hole. Oh. Liz knows what she's doing. Liz. Weaving and bobbing. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. There you go. Hit it again. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Get on there. Oh, this might have a chance. Oh, no. Oh, still got a shot. No. It needed that little bit more. Son of a... All right, we're ending on that because I don't think we're going to get any better chance than that. You're almost pushing PW number? What are you talking about? That dude trades like 100 contracts. Gonna be buying boats and Lambos soon at this rate? Not a shot. No chance. The only thing I'll be buying is a vacation somewhere with the family. You know, I don't buy that stuff. I might go rent one just for fun, but I would never buy one. That's... bleh. Dude, that was close. That was close. I'm really debating on what I want to do. Maybe I'll just go return that stuff and still get one of these delivered. Can I use gift cards? Let me see something. Be right back. have a promo code. I don't need a promo code. I want to... Wait, now it says pick up at Pasadena. It just told me they didn't have any at Pasadena. Oh, maybe because it's going to deliver it to Pasadena? Why would I not just get it delivered for free instead to my door? The upkeep, yeah. I don't know. I don't understand people that waste their money on stuff like that, to be honest. I'll rent one. I think it'd be fun to rent certain cars. I would never buy one. Maybe I'd lease one. But renting makes more sense. That way you don't have to worry about keeping up with it. Just, you want to drive one of them fancy cars? Go rent it for a week. Scheduled delivery outside. Like, oh. Apply a gift card. All right, here we go. Let's see if this works. I've had this card sitting in the drawer for who knows how long. That card doesn't seem to be a valid gift card number. God damn it. It's because it's not. It's store credit. Can you not use store credit? Seven, 6, 2. Oh. Then why did it put it in there like perfectly? Add a new card. See if they're no. It's just all right. Let me go back, edit, see if I can pick it up and not pay for it until I pick it up. Let's see if we can do that. Cancel. Chart's coming back down. Might get my $1,000 day after Raw. All right. Delivery address. Yeah, because I don't. Review. Pickup, Pasadena. Correct. Next one. Add a Home Depot gift card. No, I don't want that. I wish I could buy this thing too, but. Checkout. Oh, wow. Right back to the lows. Check this move back. We did not go back up and retest anywhere even near that 25,250. I would need to see a push down through 25 at this point, though. Continue. In-store pickup. Ah, see, I can't pay for it later. Oh, now it's saying. Oh no, okay, that's right. Use Home Depot store credit online. See if it's even possible. I'd be too worried that someone would hit it. Yeah, that too. I park away from everybody, even in my Tesla, and it still has dings. Ridiculous. Looking for the move down through 25K if I'm going to get involved here. I mean, the 3-band is all the way. You know what? Can I show the value? I can. Why have I never done this before? Guys are holding out on me. This one. It even draws lines for me and everything. Oh, that is beautiful. It's beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh my, it's gorgeous to look at. Why when you park at the end of a lot, you come out and one person decides to park next to you? It's like they do it on purpose just to be a dick. I swear. You see that all the time. All right, maybe I just chance drive into the Home Depot and burn. Let me go back. Check nearby stores. It says they have 3 in stock. Store details. So it usually tells you because I'm in the cart. So usually it tells you what aisle it's in. Okay, there it is. 3 in stock. All right, I'm just going to do that then. And then I have that other stuff to return. Let me see if she still has it out there. Got it. Okay. I have no idea if these are any good. Do these expire? Check your card balance. Oh, you can actually check. I didn't even know there was a McDonald's.com. How crazy is that? Gift card? Are these technically gift cards? They're called Arch Card. Okay. I don't want to buy. I want to check. There we go. Check. Yes. Number. This is the kind of stuff you get to do when the chart is not giving you any trades. I am not a robot. Check balance. It's going to be like, this card is expired. Oh, no, still good. Let's check this one. Scratch it. These cards have seen better days, I'll tell you that. Is it just the last 2 digits? Pretty close. Last 5 digits. I'm not a robot. All right. They both are still good. Sweet. I don't know when I would ever spend that amount of money at McDonald's on myself, but I don't understand why you can't just add that to your app. Doesn't make any sense. I know who this was for. Okay. You guys remember when I used to give away Amazon gift cards in my videos? I wonder if I should start doing that again. I think I stopped doing it because I don't remember if it was legal or not. Okay, that is done. Need this, got that. Gonna bring these. And the chart is looking like it's not gonna do anything fun the rest of the morning. I think that was our last attempt at a move down and bounced off 25K there. Give it a sec. I had one other thing to do. Oh, I remember this. Please provide Amazon gift cards or we will arrest you. IRS agent Mike Jones. Mike Jones! We're gonna be open. Christmas Eve.
FBI, open up!
Mike Jones, is that you? Call him real quick. Let's find out. Ow. Yeah, I had a quick question. Will you guys be open on Christmas Eve?
Yes.
Okay. What are your hours that day? Just the normal hours?
Hold on.
Okay.
Same schedule.
So, what was that?
Hours.
Normal hours? Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. All right. That's good to know. One less thing to worry about. It's that kind of morning. That kind of morning. I think I just used all of my energy for the rest of the day, though. Where's the tips? Where's the tips? Come on. I think I earned a couple extra dollars there. This playlist, man, it's got me going. Must be feeling a little bit better. That's what she said. I'm staring at the chart while doing this. Come on, chart. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, chart? What you gonna do? Holy crap! It's 11:30. All right, I should probably get out of here so I can go get this stuff done before the kids get home. And in case I run into any issues, let me take a picture of what aisle this is in. Got it. All right. I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Probably not going to trade anymore. I'm leaving right after I get off here. So unless something happens in the afternoon, which I probably won't even be paying attention because in my mind I'm up $1,000 a day. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I think this is my biggest single, like, actual, like, obviously it's not my single highest trading amount day, but as far as being on funded accounts and withdrawing it, biggest day. Obviously not biggest payout, right? I've taken $2,000, $2,500 payouts, etc. But single day, easily the best day. And I look to only grow from here. Let's go. I'll see you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Have a good rest of your day. Until then, stay safe. As the chart is making me want to stay, maybe we'll watch it for like an extra. No, it's just going to chop. We know how this works. It's just going to chop. There's no shot this goes back to the lows. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Run.